Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved with friends on Epic Games. First, make sure everyone has the game installed through the Epic Games launcher. Then, launch Ark and choose the host/local option from the main menu. This is where you'll configure your game session. You can adjust various settings, such as player count, difficulty, and resource rates, to customize your experience before you start the server. It's a straightforward process to get your private game going. Once your settings are configured, click Play Single Player to host a non-dedicated server. This allows your friends to join your game directly. For your friends to join, they need to go to the Join Ark menu from their main screen. They should then navigate to the Unofficial Servers tab. It's crucial to filter by your server's name to find it quickly among the many options. Make sure your game is running and visible for them to connect successfully. For more stable and persistent experience, especially with more than 4 players, consider setting up a dedicated server. This requires a separate computer to host the game, allowing the world to remain online even when you're not playing. Dedicated servers generally offer better performance and stability. If you plan to use mods, ensure that all players have the exact same mods installed and enabled. Mismatched mods can prevent players from joining or cause game crashes. If your friends are having trouble connecting, first check your firewall settings to ensure Ark is allowed through. Also, confirm that both your game and the Epic Games launcher are fully updated to their latest versions, as outdated clients can cause connection issues. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your computer can resolve minor glitches. Remember, communication is key, so coordinate with your friends on server names and passwords. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.